continue. Summary. Completely cooked, roasted, or baked solid foods may be reheated in the manner in which they were originally prepared. There is cooking a cooked item and baking a baked item. So one more time, the way it was prepared, you must reheat it. However, one may not place an item directly on a flame or a blech. So one more time, only through, after, like on top of inverted vessel, or some other indirect way. Okay. It is forbidden to reheat any food in a manner not previously employed. Therefore, one may not bake a roast or cooked item, or cooked in liquid, the item originally baked or roasted. So only the way it was baked. So before we continue, I know it's a little confusing. It's a lot of information. So the solution to all of this, is very simple and straightforward. So we go by the last status of this food before Shabbos started. So if you put everything, whatever you need, on blech, right? I will say not directly on blech, on inverted vessel before Shabbos. So then on Shabbos you are allowed to warm up, because the last status of this food, it was cooked, it was baked. It does not matter what it was. It was on a blech, so it was last status that was baked forever. So you can warm up the same way. That's it. Very simple.